In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an extension from Google Chrome, whether you installed an extension as a trial or simply no longer find it useful. Uninstalling it is a straightforward process. Let's go through it step by step, ensuring we leave no room for confusion. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You'll find it among your applications. Make sure you're on your computer rather than a mobile device, as the process is a bit different depending on the device. Once Chrome is up and running, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the browser toolbar. Here you'll see various icons, but the one we are interested in looks like a puzzle piece. It represents the extensions you have installed. Go ahead and click it. This will bring up a small drop-down menu showcasing the extensions currently active in your browser. Now, at the bottom of this drop-down menu, you should see an option that says Manage Extensions. Click on this, and it will guide you to a specific page designed for handling all things related to your extensions. On this page, you'll be able to see all the extensions you've installed, whether they're enabled or not, and other pertinent details. Next, take a moment to locate the specific extension you wish to remove. It's important to be sure of which one you want to delete, especially if you have several installed, as each serves its own function. Look through the options until you find the one you're aiming to remove. You'll notice a small box for each extension with details and options regarding that particular extension. Within that box, there will be a button labeled Remove. This is the magic button that will help you uninstall the extension. Click on that Remove button. When you do, a pop-up message will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is Google's way of ensuring you don't accidentally delete something you might still need, so don't worry. It's just a safeguard for you. If you're sure about your choice, go ahead and click Remove once more within that pop-up. And with that, you've confirmed the deletion. The extension will now be deleted from your Chrome browser, leaving your Chrome a little lighter and perhaps a tad less cluttered. That concludes the process. By removing the extension, you'll free up some resources on Chrome, potentially resulting in faster browser performance and a cleaner interface. Remember, you can always reinstall extensions from the Chrome Web Store if you change your mind or discover new ones you'd like to try out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital tools.